Hello, and welcome to Flash Game Revival! I am your host, and we are here to enjoy the nostalgia that is old school Flash game. Welcome to this new channel. I definitely got to get it more spruced up, but I am here to introduce you guys to old school Flash games that you probably remember playing or forgot about playing. And I'm in need of your assistance because what we're going to do is take the time to revive those old school Flash games. So if that sounds like something you're into, you can see directly on the screen that we have Planet Namek. Reason why we have Planet Namek showcased right now is because we're working on an iconic classic known as Dragon Ball Z Tournament or DBZ Tournament. Originally released in the 2000s on the Cartoon Network platform to showcase or to advertise the current season of Dragon Ball that was going on at the time, which was the Travel to Planet Namek, where Goku first revealed Super Saiyan. All right. So I know you guys. I know you guys remember this arcade classic, and I regret to inform you that the only way that you can play it is through, I believe, something known as Flash Infinity right now. Um, and so you can download that if you are a PC user. But I wanted to see if these old school Flash games had any actual appeal, or was it just you and I who enjoyed them based on the limitations of the technology at the time. We understood that it just wasn't possible to give us exactly what we wanted, and so we had to settle. Right now, though, I've also thought that that game had a great amount of potential. The mechanics were relatively simple, and so I decided to attempt to take it upon myself to duplicate those mechanics in this game using BuildBox, which is a game engine that uses JavaScript and visual scripting in general in order to give you 100% control over your game development journey. So I'm going to bring that up on the screen right now in the hopes that you guys are going to enjoy what you see. All right, and there we go. Okay, and so right here we have the game so far. I'm hoping that you see a resemblance. However, I may have to change some elements later on in the future. Of course, due to we're trying to watch out for copyright infringement. Okay, we don't want to get sued by Toei Animation or Cartoon Network or things of anything similar to that. So we instead may also be changing this, or maybe changing the way everything looks in the future. Okay, so with that, let me move this over real quick. All right, and show this over and bam. Okay. So yeah, we got this. Oh, I love the way this looks. Okay. And so here we have Goku on the screen. Okay, we got Goku on the screen, and as you can see, he's got his bouncing animation that was done with Mixamo. We downloaded the character, and actually, I like this bouncing animation, but I know there's better animation. So today, I'm going to be researching animations and how to really either manipulate them. Number one, or grab them from ROM files. If that sounds like something you're going to be into in the future, use the comment section below to tell me. This is the basic setup with the health bar being here, that located in green, and the blue bar here being located here as the power level. Goku, of course, will be able to move, and after you select the movement quadrant you want him to head to, you can then activate what you want him to do when he gets there, and then he's going to power up right now. Oh, he didn't power up right now, so this might be my old version of the game, which is going to make me mad. So actually, let's try this again. Um, all right, so let's see if my old version or newer version of the game works, because I don't know why I keep getting two distinctly different download versions. Okay, so let's see. Let's hit this. And let's hit that. Yeah, sure as heck didn't work. Anywho, okay, so character removed that way. I don't like the way that the character is is oriented. but I am going to change that in the future. Right now, it's paying attention to what I consider the attack cube. I tried to make a attack sphere inside so that he only turns in the direction of the attack sphere. But right now that hasn't worked for me. So the solution is to reset his orientation later on in the future. Um, so the basic setup is exactly what you see here. A attack cube that is going to be where the character will execute based or planned attacks in the future. Um, from there we go. Power up right there. Okay, and as you can see, he moved. Um, and oh, he's going to move there, and we're going to have our attack there and put it over here. All right, and he turns around to make sure that he's always facing the target that he plans to attack. Um, like I said, I wanted to turn that off or set it up, but I'm using build box, so I do have to learn. Of course, I'm not a average game developer, guys. I am a new game developer. What does that mean? That means I don't know everything, and since I don't know everything, that means that I'm possibly going to suck more often than not. But that's where I can use your help. Use the comment section below to state what characters should be added. So in the game initially, let's go check it out. The original characters, there was only about 7, I believe. Why do I have BBZ? Hold on. Okay. And the original characters, there was only 7. So there was Goku, Vegeta, Frieza, uh, Piccolo, and Gohan and Krillin. Also, not Paragus. I forget his name. The no, it's not Deborah either. I can't remember his name. I honestly cannot remember his name. But but man, was it? It was a good game. It was a good game. We can actually have some footage right here. Okay. What? So it looks like that's a thumbnail, but where's the video? Okay. Let me get rid of that sound. All right. All right, so like there, so you guys, there we go. You could see we have Captain Ginyu, we have Krillin, we have Vegeta, we have so basically everyone who was inside the Namekian arc, right? The arc when they go to planet Namek. And but I think that the gameplay aspect of it really had a lot of possibilities. It really had potential. Um, it is reminiscent of something as similar or as simple as rock paper scissors, but it's a I think it's a chill kind of relaxing kind of game that can be played over and over again. And I think as a developer, it would be easy and fun to hide other stuff inside the game that you would have to learn or understand. Um, so this is the reason, or one of the reasons, why I really want to pursue this game. I also believe that it may be possible to use it to start off or begin with having a game studio, using this as the start of a game studio. Now, for those of you who don't know, Unity has just announced their new pricing model change. And so, since they've announced their new pricing model change, it means that game developers are going to have to really reevaluate the way that they do things, the way that they release things. So this is to me the opportune time for us, for you and I, if you decide that you want to be a part of this, to actually get a leg up and hurry up and produce some games fast. So I decided to take this game and its basic simple mechanics to release this game. If that sounds like something you're into, you know exactly what to do.